just let me say everything in this video. So basically, you know, we got this room tour. Very unexpected because we did not know what this room was going to be like. It's 3.7 out of 5 stars, but I gave it a 5 out of 5 because why the fuck not, you know. Go show them everywhere else. I'm not the main attraction here.
Yes, you are.
Never.
Always. Look at that.
So,
We got a TV. That's nice. We got a light that flickers, I think. That'll turn on. Right.
It's not turning on.
She won't even turn on. It was flickering
She did.
a while ago. That's great. Got another mirror. I look like a crackhead. We got more mirrors. We got even more mirrors. And, like, that's a closet. Woo. And the good stuff. God, someone kill me. Didn't take too much time on that one. And chairs. And, you know. Oh, we got a patio. That's kind of cool. Can we... Oh. Nobody wonder what I'm doing? Okay. Good stuff. Ooh, artwork. More artwork. The real artwork.
Yo, what's up, guys?
Good stuff.
Sliding on the face, how disrespectful.
I'm sorry, I love you.
Ew.
And snacks for days, boys.
More snacks if you
A snack. A true snack.
The full course meal.
Mm-hmm.